During SustainabilityX this May, a packed panel will discuss the business case for embedding sustainability in every aspect of your business. The session will see speakers from Avon, Oleo, Reskinned and Lil Packaging come together to share their thoughts and experiences. I'm delighted to be joined by Fred Lill, owner and director of Lil Packaging. Firstly, Fred, a nice easy question to get us started. How have you responded to the growing demand for sustainable packaging?
Well, actually, I think like most businesses, we're on a big learning curve, and our huge discovery was learning through our clients that are equally transparent as we are, that actually, particularly in the health and beauty sector of retailing, of their total carbon footprint, between 6 and 10% of it is just its e-commerce packaging. So actually identifying for us how we can make a major part in that, because over the coming COVID period, the last 3 years, we've achieved a zero scope 1 and zero scope 2 in our carbon footprint, which is huge. And we make a big pledge that we're offsetting our scope 3. So actually there's very few cases for any business to be able to, a click of a fingers, reduce their total carbon footprint by 6 to 10% just by choosing a sustainable packaging